What's up, party people? So I'm going to give you guys a travel pro tip. So we've traveled quite a bit. I've traveled internationally for leisure and business a lot, and so I'm going to share with you guys something that can be very beneficial to you. So they say knowledge is power. It's not true. Knowledge in action is power. Anyone can know, one must simply do. So when traveling to a resort destination, right, or anywhere, but primarily resort destinations. So I'm down here in where am I? Puerto Vallarta, Nuevo Vallarta in Nayarit, on vacation. And one thing that you may hear people say when you get off the plane, just keep your head down going through the airport. No, because you're going to get hit with the sharks, the timeshare presentation sharks. Many years ago, when Jill and I think the first place, I'm trying to think, it was probably in Hawaii. We stayed at the Westin Kaanapali in Hawaii for roughly $300 for the week. How in the world do you stay at the Westin Kaanapali for $300 for the week? Well, it's simple. You go and spend half a day, listen to a presentation, and anyone can say no. You don't have to say yes. So I've learned that, and I saw that, and I'm like, man, you can get some stuff. We didn't get much then other than a week's of stay there, but I've learned to leverage this for our advantage. So coming down here on this trip, we were down here in October, and we got hit with everybody at the airport, and you get free excursions. Basically, it's your wheeling and dealing opportunity. Get what you want, get as much as you can out of it. So we got some excursions and did a bunch of things when we came down here in October. This time, getting off the plane, got hit with them, and we told her, hey, we're not interested. Just fire off with a no, but in the back of your head, know that you're gonna get something. So the first lady that hit us up was, hey, do a presentation. We got here on Tuesday. Do a presentation. When are you available? And I said, I don't know. We're Thursday morning maybe. So this is Thursday morning, 9 a.m. We came over here to this resort, and she wanted to say it's a presentation. She was up front. She was very nice, and it was awesome. And so I told her we weren't interested. And she said, well, what if I can offer you $100 and 2 free massages? And I'm like, I don't know. And she said, what if I added in your 3 COVID tests for me and Jill and Colton? I said, well, we're getting close, but we're not there. And she said, well, what will it take? And I said, $500 cash, 3 COVID tests, and the 2 massages. And she said, I can't do $500, but I can do $300. Boom. In just 60 seconds, she went from 100 to 300. I'm like, I'll do that. For an hour of my time, I'll do $300 an hour. And 3 COVID tests are about $40, $40 to $60 a piece. So say on the low side, 40, so that's $120. And 2 massages, that's about $60. So 60, 120, 140, that's $260 plus 300 cash. It's $560 for an hour of my time. I will do that deal all day long. So I've got $300 cash in my pocket. Just did the presentation. Started at 9. I said at an hour I'm walking away. She said that's fine. So it didn't last more than an hour. We toured the facility. It's really nice. We're not interested, and but I made $560. So that's a pretty good deal. And we got our cab fare paid for on the way back. Jill and Colton are doing their massage right now, and I am just doing this video out here on the beach. When we went to go get our rental car, she said, I'm just going to warn you, the same gal, I'm just going to warn you that you're going to get hit with the presentation when you go to the rental car place. Just tell them no, and whatever. I'm like, all right, cool. Ding, 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 opportunity. So went to the rental car place. They were going to charge me $400 to rent a car for a week. Well, it said online $13 a day, so we're a little off for 7 days. And they said $400. I said, whoa. I reserved this thing for $13 a day, and now we're at $400. The math doesn't work out. They said, well, that's taxes and whatever. I'm like, well, this isn't going to work. And he said, well, I'll tell you what, if you go and do a presentation, I'll pay for half your rental car. I said, so my rental car is going to cost me $200. He said, right. I said, we're still a little off. I mean, 7 times 13 was at $91, about $100 off. And then he said, well, what if I threw in, you go to this presentation, pay half your rental car, we'll give you 2 round-trip airfare tickets, and then a day pass at Vedanta, which is a new, it's like an amusement park, resort, whatever. It's pretty killer. You can Google it. So a day pass there, 2 round-trip airfare tickets, and half my rental car. I'm like, all right, I'll do that deal. So far, we're doing that presentation tomorrow morning. It's an hour. I said at an hour, I'm walking away. He said, fine. So 2 hours of our time, we've gotten 2 round-trip airfare tickets, 2 massages, 3 COVID tests, $300 cash, and a day pass for free at Vedanta. When we were in Bahamas 10 years ago, we did one of these presentations, and they gave us a day pass at Atlantis. So we did that. Unfortunately, we did say yes on the timeshare deal, and got back to the room and looked at each other and said, what in the heck did we just do? Eject, eject, eject. So made some phone calls and backed out of that deal and got everything back, and everything's good to go. So that is my pro tip traveling. You can say no, but be open to yes, because you can get a lot of benefits and perks and excursions and free stuff out of it. Last time we came down, we got the razors through the jungle, which was amazing. That was so much fun. Got to go to the Predator place where they filmed Predator down in Mismaloya. Got pirate ship cruise. I think we got some cash. Got 3 bottles of tequila. Yeah, so there you go. Now you know. And knowledge is just knowledge. Without action, it's not much. So next time you come down to a place like this, be it the Caribbean, Mexico, wherever, stick to your no, if you don't want to do it, but get what you can get out of it and milk that sucker, because this is a cash fest. They have so much cash on hand, and they're willing to give it away just to have your ear for an hour. All right, that's it. Hope that helps, and I hope y'all are able to snag these opportunities. All right, that's it. See ya.